Hey everyone, I'm Kunal Keshan and welcome back to another video on the BTech ECE Notes project. So today I've got like some major updates on the project itself. As you can see in the screen, it's called the Introducing the Extra Notes set. So before actually explaining about this new part, I want to talk about the project a bit more. The project right now is very specific towards the ECE students alone. So it has notes and resources, study materials, very specific to the ECE students alone. So while this is a good thing, being specific is a good thing, I feel like I could help other students as well, regardless of the department they're in, like if they're CSE or if you're there in mechanical. I wanted this project to help those students as well. So to help them, I came up with the idea of introducing the extra notes set. The idea for this is that people from other departments can also contribute their notes to the project, and it will come under this extra section of the website. So if you go to the website, and you can see in the nav bar there's a new section called extra. So over here you can contribute your notes and it will show up like this. So by whom was it contributed, what was the title of the notes, what is it related to, and finally the link, drive link or some other link as well, that will open up in the actual drive over there. So make sure you kept open access to the drive at the same time. uh, Now suppose you do want to contribute to it, right? And say you don't know how to contribute through the GitHub to the website directly. What you can do is come to the extra notes section. You can see there is a fill this form to get started. So you just click on it and it will open up a form where you can give up your drive link details, your name, what the notes that you're contributing is all about, right? So all that you can fill through this form and I will put it up in the website. The second way you can contribute to the extra notes set is by actually going to the website source code and adding your information over there. So I've already made a video on how you can contribute to the website, so you can check this video out. And yeah, so just to give you a direction of how to do it, you can go to the repository, switch to the client branch, go to the source folder, data, and you have something called the extended notes. So inside this you can put information about the notes that you want to contribute, that directly uh, or should I say indirectly relates to the project, that is not a part of EC but is notes of other departments over here. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe if you can. Really does help out the channel, and share the word about this project so other people also can benefit from it. Thank you.